Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our Vijay's Learn class. This is our 15th day, and before we begin today's class, I want you to make a promise that is, I will not skip this video. I will complete it till the end. Because after today's class, you will proudly say, now I can make sentence in present, past, and future. You know what? This is not just grammar. This is your power to speak English confidently. So sit straight, focus, and imagine I am standing in front of you, teaching you with full heart and full responsibility. So let's begin. I have the super trick for you. That is, guys, one, two, will one. This one line, one, two, will one, one, two, will one. Just keep saying one, two, will one. That's it. This one formula will help you make sentences in present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite. But how? Let's understand step by step, slowly and clearly. Okay. Now, if I say one, two, will one, then your question is, sir, what is one, two, will one? Please tell me. So guys, let me explain. V1 is best form of the verb. For example, go, eat, play, sit, run, sleep. V2 is second form of the verb, that is past. Example, went, ate, played, sat, ran, slept. And will one, that is for future. Example, will go, will eat, will play, will sit. So understood. If you want to tell about your present tense, present indefinite, then you have to say only first form. For past, you have to say only second form. Future indefinite for will one. That's it. Okay. Okay. I tell you. Imagine you went to the ground to play, but someone else was already playing in your class. Now you are angry. And what do you say? Tell me. You will say, hey, I play here, I played here, and I will play here. Did you see what you just did? You said V1, that is I play. V1, V2, I played, that is past. Will one, it is I will play. मैं खेलता हूँ, मैं खेला था या खेलता था और मैं खेलूंगा. राइट. इसी तरीके से अपन धमकी देते हैं ना. ओके. Imagine someone is sitting on your bench in school. Then you come and say, hey, I sit here, I sat here and I will sit here. भाई बैठता हूँ, बैठता था और बैठूंगा. I sit here, present I sat, past I will sit, future. Use this one trick and boom, you can talk in three sentences. Understood? Now let's practice with some daily use verbs. Um, I give you eat. It means khana. I eat breakfast at 7. I ate breakfast at 7 yesterday. I will eat breakfast at 7 tomorrow. Okay. Go. I go to school every day. I went to school yesterday. I will go to school tomorrow. मैं आज मैं 7 बजे स्कूल जाता हूँ. मैं 7 बजे स्कूल गया था. मैं 7 बजे स्कूल जाऊंगा. इस तरीके से सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. ओके. So remember, V1 is for today's habit, V2 is for yesterday's action, and will one is for tomorrow's plan. It's so simple. 1, 2, will one. V1 is present, V2 is past, and will one is future. बोलते रहो भाई, बोलते रहो. Now I will say Hindi sentence, and you make all three present, past, and future. Okay. मैं हर रोज पढ़ता हूँ. Say I study every day. I studied yesterday. I will study tomorrow. Okay. सेंटेंस नंबर 2 देता हूँ. वो रोज क्रिकेट खेलता है. He plays cricket every day. He played cricket yesterday. He will play cricket tomorrow. Understood? Okay. तुम स्कूल जाते हो. You go to school. You went to school. You will get to school. You will go to school. So let's revise the formula again. That is present indefinite. That is for subject plus V1. Past indefinite for subject plus V2. Future indefinite, subject plus will plus V1. And this is how we make hundreds of sentences. Now think, what did we just learn? Yes, today in just one class you have learned present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite together. Is it believable? But it's true. Okay, you didn't even realize when you learned three tenses in one go. That's the power of one, two, will one. One means present tense, two means past tense, will one means future tense. Just form the verbs. Okay. Now, today, I want you to practice this with your daily routine. Say this out loud. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I will brush my teeth. Mama, I drink water. I drink water. I will drink water. Mama, I use my phone. I used my phone. I will use my phone. Maintain more by yourself. Use real situations. Okay. Now I'm giving you final motivation. That is, dear learners, look at what you achieved today. Okay. You have learned how to speak present, past, and future using just one trick. You did it, you understood it, and now you can use it. So, English is not difficult when you learn it with heart and confidence. Okay. Now I'm giving you a task, that is comment below and write I speak in all three tenses now, and thank you teacher. And yes, don't forget to subscribe because tomorrow's class will take you even higher. Okay, now this is your teacher signing off for today. I believe in you. Keep practicing, keep growing, and remember, one, two, will one. One, two, will one. One, two, will one. That is for full confidence. So see you in the next class. Bye bye.